IUPAC nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are those which contains conjugated double bonds. Okay, ring compounds which contain conjugated double bonds. Example, benzene. Structure will be like this. And here we are studying about benzene and its derivatives, but their nomenclature is less systematic as compared to alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. First category is those which contain the groups which are used as the prefixes. Take some examples. Here the groups C2H5 and which is used as the prefix to the benzene. So the compound will be ethyl. The prefix will be ethyl and the compound is ethyl benzene. Another example, if nitro group is attached, here the prefix will be nitro benzene. These are one category. Next, second type is these are certain compounds which are having some common names. These common names are universally accepted, and in almost all the compounds while naming we are using these unique names. Okay, first compound is the benzene ring with a CH3 group. CH3 group is attached. It's called as toluene. Okay, if another group like this, CH double bond CH2, if this group is attached, it is called as styrene. Okay, next, consider this compound, OH is attached, which is phenol. Alkoxy groups OMe is attached. It's called as anisole. Okay. If NH2 is attached, it's called as aniline. So, this is another category of compounds. Their common names are used by naming. Okay. Next compound is, next category. Next category of compounds is commonly used names for the substituents attached to a benzene ring are phenyl and benzene. So, those compounds like this, if some substituents are attached here, such compounds will have a prefix phenyl. Some other compounds, if the ring will be like this and some substituents are attached here, such compounds are having the prefixes benzyl. Okay, take some examples. In this case, say phenyl group O is attached to two phenyl groups. Okay, say phenyl group and this is a phenyl group. So two phenyl groups. So they are called as diphenyl and the group is ether. This is ether, diphenyl ether. Next, another compound. Take this compound and CH2 Br is attached. CH2, this is the ring and the Br is attached. So the compound will be benzyl chloride. Okay, benzyl bromide. Okay, this is the next category. Now let us see the third category. The fourth category. Okay, next compound, other substituent groups in a benzene ring like this. Okay, this is the ring and two groups are attached to CH. Okay, such cases the prefixes used are benzol. Another one, okay, C. Three groups are attached. The compound prefix is benzo. So take two examples for each compounds. here. CHO group is attached. CHO group is attached. So, it's called as benzaldehyde. Okay, like this compound. Here, COOH. This group. Okay, in such a case, three attachment, three substituent. Okay, one double bond and one single bond. The compound will be benzoic acid. This is an acid group. So, benzoic acid. It's another category. Okay. Now, let us see another compounds which are di-substituted compounds. If the benzene rings are di-substituted, what will happen? In such cases, we are using certain common names. Okay, if it is 1, 2 substituted, 1, 3 substituted, 1, 4 substituted, etc. Depending upon that, they are named as ortho, para, meta, etc. Take one example. This benzene ring is chlorine, chlorine. 1, 2 substituted. Okay, so this compound will be ortho dichlorobenzene. Okay. Ortho dichlorobenzene. Take another example. Cl and the third position. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Third position chlorine is attached. So this will be metadichloro. These are the common names used for such derivatives. Okay. Next, if it is 1, 4. If it is 1, 4, this is fourth position. Okay, they are para-dichlorobenzene. It's another category of compounds. Okay. Now, if the compounds, if the rings are fused rings, if the two benzene rings are fused like this, they are called as naphthalene. Now, next, if three rings are fused like this, they are called as anthracene. Like that it goes on. Okay, this is another category. And also certain compounds which contains three groups are three similar groups. Let CH3 groups are substituted. CH3, CH3. This is called as mesitylene. Okay, mesitylene. Now, if three different groups are attached, we will follow the alphabetical order. Okay. Cl, NO2, NO2. So, alphabetical order, Cl comes first, chloro, nitro, 3, 4. So, the compound will be 1 chloro, 2, 4 dinitro benzene. Okay, these are some of the compounds. Okay, in the next class we will study more about the organic compounds, their nomenclature. Okay.